This is JACKYLED. It's a outlet. It comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. It is a combination of outlets and USB ports. It has a nice handle that you can carry. Let's open this up, show you what it looks like inside the box. Unwrap your cord. It has a Velcro strap that you could re-tie it up and take with you where you need to have cord. It opens up about 6 feet. Plug it into your outlet by removing the cover. It has a surge protection and a number of switches on top to turn on and off each of the sides. It has 6 rubber feet so it could grab the table and hold on there nicely. It has these little rubber sides over here on each of the sides. It has 5 ports. Has a little green light to indicate the power for the ports. If you need to plug in a brick, you can still do so. And if you need to use a USB cable, you simply line up correctly, plug in, and charge your products. We're going to charge our light. As it's charging up, shows indication. We could turn off the USB, that is this switch, and we could turn off the AC, and that would be this switch. So we are protected with the circuit breaker. With the wide outlets, you can plug in your products, and you could charge your unit by plugging in. Depending on what you have in, you could still put products on into the plug area, and they will fit. And you could simply go to one of the sides over here and you could charge via. The USB ports are maximum 2.4 amps per, rated at 8 amps.